We're on this journey together to find people to come and join you, to be on your team, to be your business partners. But do you sometimes feel like, I can't do it? Do you have that internal struggle within you that says, I'm not good enough? They don't want to be with me. I have a little exercise that I want you to do. I want you to grab a piece of paper. So just grab a piece of paper, a lined piece of paper, rip it out of your notebook. If you need to, shut this video off for a minute and go get that paper. So go do that right now, because I want you to do this. Okay, now you have your piece of paper. I want you to close your eyes. Just close your eyes for just a minute. Close your eyes. What is holding me back? What is it? I'm not cute enough. I don't have a good enough personality. They don't want to be with me. I've failed in the past. I can't do this. No one likes me. I can't get customers, so why would I spend my money, waste my money to buy the jewelry when I know nobody will buy it from me? I'm not smart enough. I don't want people to think like I'm making money off from them. Do you feel those? Do you ever feel that? I do. I do. Now, here's how to get rid of those. Open your eyes. Take your piece of paper and start writing. Just write anything. Okay, maybe close your eyes again and just write whatever comes to your mind. It doesn't matter what you write. Just whatever comes to your mind. I start out by saying, Dear Robin, nobody wants to be with you. You're too fat, you're too tall, you're too short, you're not cute enough, you're too old. They don't want to follow you. I'm not good enough. I don't belong here. Write all those things down. Just write them down. I want your paper full. Just keep writing and writing and writing and writing. Okay, now when you're done, take that piece of paper, crumple it up, and just squish it and squish it and squish it. And it hurts. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt really bad. Just keep squishing it because you hate those things in there. I hate them. I'm not that. I'm not gonna be that. I'm not gonna let it control me. Just squish it and squish it. And then when you get through squishing it, when it hurts so bad, open your hand up. You know that kind of hurts to let go. And then take the paper and rip it up and rip it up and rip it up and rip it up and take it down on the ground and drop on it and get rid of that feeling. Get rid of those because they're not true. They're not true. Throw that away. That's not you. People love you. They want to be with you. They think you're amazing. So now we've gotten rid of that crap that's inside there. Now we got to put something good back in. My favorite are these 5 declarations. I want you to put that on your mirror. See it? It's right here. I'm kind. Sometimes we don't believe this. You are kind. I'm smart. I'm smart. Tell it to yourself. Do you believe it? We just ripped all that crap up and threw it on the floor and stomped on it and stomped on it. You are smart. You're important. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. You're a child of God. I'm a child of God. Say those every single day 100 times. Put them on your wallpaper on your phone. People want to be with you. You deserve to be here. They deserve to be here. You are their messenger. You know, when I was going through cancer, I didn't feel worthy. I didn't. But I know my Heavenly Father, God, the universe, whatever it is, told me that I deserve to be here because I am important and I'm beautiful. And if I am, you are. I was bald and I looked like crap. But I learned my motto is love my life. So do this again and again and again and get all that crap out and learn. Say those. Do them.